Hello viewers, welcome back to Renka Kitchen. In today's video we are making JIAKPU and NSISA. Stay tuned and watch how I do this. This is a popular meal known by Igbo people in Nigeria. All we need to prepare this delicacy is just this cassava and water. The first thing I'm going to be doing here is to cut the cassava into smaller pieces. I'm going to be washing it and then add it into a cooking pot. You are expected to add enough water when cooking it. Bring it to boil for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes of boiling it, I'm going to be separating the cassava from the water. I just divided it into two so that I can make use of two different methods of doing this abacha. The first method is just simple. There is something at the middle which I'm going to do. The string, I'm removing it. Then I can do like this, gently slicing it, not so thick. To try as much as possible to make it very tiny. You can see. I'm going to be transferring it to this bowl. And to start the next process. The next process will take me like 3 days before it can be ready. I'm going to be adding water, normal water. Make sure that the water covers it. Good. So this is how I'm going to be leaving it for a good 3 days. But all I need to do is that every blessed day I have to bring it out and wash it off. Change the water. Just once you bring it out, wash it off, change the water. So I'm going to be covering it. And for the second process, I'm going to be making use of this because I want the abacha to be in a long form, so that's why I'm making use of like this. So this is all you need to do. So we are through. This is the outcome. This is exactly the form I want it to be. So I'm also going to be transferring it to this bowl. And equally add water. Make sure you add enough water. Kindly cover it, and I'm going to be changing the water every day, precisely in the morning. I'm going to be washing it and then changing the water. The first day of washing, so I'm only going to be washing it this way. You can see how the water is. All I need is just to wash. Back to the plate and add water, fresh water. Then we are going to repeat this process tomorrow. As the first day of washing, then top it up with fresh water. This process will be repeated on a second day. At this stage, it is ready to be eaten. You can as well eat this JIAKPU with coconuts or granules. By the third day, the second method is also ready. You can as well eat it with coconut or granules. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.